And there is another prophet who fights against NPP. Or say, about to know about 2022. Obe make sure so obe check water NPP for nya ye no you. Sa di for wa ko India, me no ka say. Waba or Ghana waba. Or say obe check about to know water NPP for nya. Obe make sure so obe check you. Yes. And no kwade ma me yam say no. Sire honorable Ken say ade bi o mo de best teacher on na so mo de sabotage men kasa. Ana say ade bi o mo de tag on. O make sure so on kasa. To pay me say ade be ma di fa nku ndi aswa.
So printing mention one say I so NPP amano kunim no and am so am enkom shebi abeto monte so e ka me say confirm other prophecies aba e che say Honorable Ken Akumpe ko Agyapong no na esefata say odi NPP amano ko no anim say wo pe say on be to me 2028 dia na enkom shewe no che say wo ma fa honorable amma na wo ma kulu ni kata hye bi koso na mo fa obifufu bi abe flag bearer edema amano ko na ene na 20 years and a NPP ebetina opposition ene mensa aka prophet Bernard Esiam ewo menche wa ha ene no ebedi nkomoni ado enkomhye yi mu esukoni mu sese ne enyema esitie kan mensa wo memeso so beka mo ne akodi fo ye mo na kwaba ne de nkomono ahye so ansa na no aha aye too much GH so first time ne be ne subscribers no so na de be no aka ho se ne be na upload ni tompe wo ne first person ya wo sa ebedi kan ka ye busia ne mo di fo akwaba ne fa nkomono enso aso
That good me Josepa.
Bibia boko.
You think say Bible.
Edenyame ase. And no Congress a course no mean dey etwemu e wo NPP for akachi no. Ede nkomo bebre na abakru bi kyerese wo aze wo mo a favor Dr. Muhammad Baw maybe so they be in favor no na I said to me or was a former vice president and one a favor no amen so no nya akwan kasa ye no wo de nkomhye bi aba na before e be kon nkomhye no ne e koso ne enkomo a e koso wo monten so no wo gye ne say
Mamentia mahwefo chini benche otuma ji so maybe the Congress no mo koye ye no me de me say bibi omu a entwa yi on say ohwe obia kasa na akotena se
okay
and say obia ba we so na akotena se akoye say a stage and say a stage bibi say bia penino emefa so na onfa enda de wodi bio.
Okay.
I mean, MPP is one of the biggest party in Ghana. In Ghana. But I did be already 8 me. I'm of a do a boom. I did be already buy, and Yansen get to
and the 5 people on your code.
Yes.
Okay.
20 years in opposition. So my yes, I knew we are. And then put a bar or money, John Ramani Mama, a Basia, a bet pie 50-50. A whole soon I was said about the NPP anymore, a direction.
Okay.
Direction be able to get up, maybe say, Fujimukakra. Aye.
Would if was a worker so woman a man penning John Dramani Mahama, a bay 50-50. Yeah. John Dramani Mahama, one side and could be more.
Yeah, Nipana or NPP in Babisiano.
Okay.
Yes. In the Pebu NPP was only in the back. Ebisia and this, and yes, a trash one is a 20 years time.
Saturday, dear Piemonte, so I want people for Akachibaye in Numo Senai, Honorable Ken Akumpe Agyapong, Dr. Muhammad Baumia, Honorable Educhum, Kwabneje Agyapong, Brian Champong, into D5 and na a peer, one more air process or mobile. So I'm going to forms now. My feeling that's almost Waba. Congress, no course, and one more said Dr. Muhammad Baumia, and as a woman, no chance to do our say, and on us a platform, your day tone. That's it. And you want to buy and say, oh, it's a son, no, where your former vice president, Eddie Magana, into 2 minutes, I crown no. Ye who former president for me in Nebia or Meche, Jonah Kunku for them, and another Dako Kufado be into Miyama, or when I know as former vice, and in no man as a chance, no, in Chimuno and Yan.
Or maybe the so what you say. So or your former but on yet now on your present.
Okay.
Into within a normal circumstances and also in Kauma maybe a penino or MPP no maybe a elders for Netana. But which my Baba man speech. As I say, because we say many people are contesting the leadership of NPP. enti muma ba akwanya na obaye no what you say eya na ntwa yi ntwa yi wo ani foresight ko ekira ntwa yi that's it
ewie ya me no we kasa ni na social media so akoso ne baby a edi ehim ho a wo mo kire se NAPO endorse onwabo kana compare ko Agyapong mimiti ye na ye no misa won so ye wonwa na
o mimiti ade no wonwa
anyo wonwa se running mate the ban Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia yanka Bawumia be ye running mate man na no mo comprensa intinaga na fokwa ehwe kwan se sa be ye mo kwa kotu
Aliu Mahama comprensa Jona Jekun Kufu Aliu Mahama comprensa
okay
ohun sa mfa no entem ohun se mo kam bibi na me di ne show so prekonam that's it inti ade ne da won wan ni ntem wa bedwo so tro ebe ho so ya je ne ntem so ati ase inti we no the best man and connected with the revelation he chire me no some make a mistake 20 years in opposition yes MPP for better oppositions for 20 years. Some years are a mistake now. So back I say that good many one net na your program of when we need about one about say one casavu view. I for a demonstration of ready to me a day the physical one casavu view.
Odi for nyana ye nya onye se man kasa.
Oh jai. Oh senate one more make chant throw too much is no more so yeah bo so na wo di fo na wo twitwa ntro a enye rade honhom so wo nim je Yehowa e da wa dum na no bi say that good that be one of the prophets ya kasa wo mafidi so ade bi e da ne mu no so bye na no e so hwe di kutre yam na ya wo jam wo be ne sa na me kire di fo ba so mre ni ya wo shieti ba wo say NPP they should not make this mistake.
Okay.
The moment you make mistake, we die.
Okay.
Atiasi. Now say oma jeni ngwasi ache. And about one na ekoto ye no soro e fiba ye papa John Dramani mama pa.
Okay.
Pa nya sem ketwa. Atiasi ye prophet bia ne ye papa John Dramani mama e bisi akomya so e osoro. Me patwa atiasi. But this 10 year say ono kene Agyapong 18 year mama na sonte say on born hushi na on tighten the belt na on Stephen wo mo be no the group a wati on be campaign and also mo be koto we make sure there will be an imposter in them one or be feel say enkomo bi obedi ama outside
and they say NAPO
o men kan bibia mes ye Yehowa yi kire na meka
odi fo se ni da wa ye monche
oh that good I will say me say okay when your body is a prophet Bernard Islam kai the team will be forming there will be a big imposter in them and come up with the secret or be face some information ama bontin na ebiemu a na Yehowa kan say without honorable king MPP can never come to power. And MPP for power more show one for leadership ni emo before that person will fail 7 times. The only man who gets really power Ediama MPP honorable king
odi fo ede na ema wugina so a wode kanesa na ebie ebedi kan ba ho no ni enti a me bo na podin se enye me na me suggest se eye na po ne mom no edi ni beto odwa no na Ghana fo kasa na wo mo kire se asemi ebie sipen ye hu se ababa wa bi na oni Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia ne kon nakra na
that's it
ya wo ye ni aida na sa Rosemond afrede o twa no ho fefreda wa kwakodi and this side ene oye special aid edema Dr. Emampeni woti edwasi enti se wo bia wo ye running mate edema Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia ya wo makoto ene ne kasa no kwa Ghana for kwa kire se wo ka ho bi mpo ene believe say because all transits will make ye na enya ade a eye anika na se ene edi ehimo social media so say wa sign endorse honorable Kendia ene na na wo ka say traits and bebemu no omo pointi arona ne so ne kwa akohwe
me die Yehowa yi kire se me nkan me ba to ati ase and Twitter no be within domu a honorable Ken ebefa say as the team a omo be move on kwa aba no obewo sa ade ni Now it will be so painful. Say, mube soon at the plan idea. Ebe ye adwene asoba akoni nsuye baako na ade be chene na da public.
Okay.
Wuri ni pakura nso obeye.
Nso na free.
That's it. Na me ya say a man like ye papa yi na enema bibiri wo a obetimi ayedi aboa na omo man da akunya no na omo ato omo ngogu. And there is another prophet who fights against NPP or say about to know about the 2022 obe make sure so obe chebuta NPP fu nya ye no you
near Dr. Koya or the Baya, do 30, moons 40, was I be chimu minu di ama wo.
Sa di fu wa koya me no ka say waba or Ghana waba or say obe che about to know vote NPP fu nya obe make sure so obe chemu minu. Yes. And no quite a mammy, this is the second platform one, make us argue. And I have spoken with almost from me fancy region, no so more chairman or more campaign one. That's it. My name is Wakasa. I'm almost at Casama for the video in Yaman Pedifoma. Many honorable can Pedifodu Sakasa US. I'm almost on my for the Yaman Pedifobi. Now, your best honorable can say, I give you the best teacher and also the best sabotage of men Casa. And I say, I give you the best target or make it so on Casa. For people say, I remember the fun couldn't be a swap.
Only for a party Nayana a woo abine.
Yeah.
Enti NPP on your corner so enya amnyoko ketwa.
Yeah.
Say you can say the largest opposition party in Ghana.
Yeah.
Womo kwa battle pain when your first time a womo ako.
That's it.
Abra ye man pinda da jona joku kufuo ba no. Enye the first time we win ye.
That's it.
Oba call signed by B.
That's it.
Another dan kwa kufuado. Oba koye. Eba koye. The friend so. And son on Dr. Muhammad Bawumia 8 million.
That's it.
It is a drew Dr. Muhammad Bawumia so no akọ baako na wedi enkugu a. No enka bibi nkyere yen say oh we eye norm enye first time bia no bia kwa wo friend no or chances nso betimi akọ say bia won ko ne hwe no mo say there doctor na ya ton no Ghana nyina one oba flag bearer dem party no two why vice president 8 years e dey ama wo man no say e obi o man ni mu na eye doctor e no man ni honorable Kende eye prime minister no doctor koye e na doctor Kwasa ni no enu nti ewe o mienu dia ka nipo betimi wi ni to me no
this time around honorable Kende befa. Do you know?
Abana mo kwa 31st 2026 no.
Prime Minister mo Kende Bona.
Flag bearer.
Honorable Kende befa. Do you know?
Sunsu mo asem na wo Kenya na.
Me kan sunsu, do you know?
Me pacho de bi ni.
On say ya da ye ade ba kwa me mpe o da good no. Ye be ka di ni ni nkom se na ade ni babu se pam. On frɛ wo da. So ti ase na pasasa fo ni na mso yi so. Ti me say that good both to human Jesus prophet is am can say honorable Kende befa. Na oba nso a se odi ndisi bisia there is a direction you woman. And on the better kakra. There is a top direction. At the mountain of Boken and son and a top, a bit to Matana Kunaso. And yet better, but say too far with ya. Sadia too far the Papa and Sana, Kulu be now. So, a Bemua. I just said 20 years later. And this will be on Ghana for 20 years.
Odi for say wo kan what can je bio wo se won na be fa
say ekro bi de kejebi so kan
wo say nyeti America na say di for no say ya na mo ba na mo kan sem ne say na mo jet bitum edu direction ya na nyeti for ne kan say aha wo ma kom ho wo mo pesika wo mo pese onu aboni be hu wo mo pe trend nti na mo di direction no abam mo di e no atene say na be ya e be frem no nti na mo kan sa no
wo say so be ya Emra me de ye papa John Dramani Muhammad ye bai say.
Okay.
Do you know say me dem penufo mi no mu firi Kumase ko ejam wo.
Okay.
Eni wo akotentam. Enya sam ketu wa na djube yitu nye nam jam wo.
Okay.
Ye ni wo akotentam dindindin pa that good na enya sam ketu wa. Enchi enye ano keke. Ena answer na me di ye be ba bonti no. Wo mo mu ni too much ni. Answer na me di ye be ba bonti pam. The note. And I am muy tirimun kaya and Sani account there be. and then yet will.
Yes, and yet trend.
Trend. I've been on the media for about 12 years. I've been on the media. Makasa baby, I've been on TV. I've been on radios. Baby, engineer friend. Yeah, Sadio Manumanu. You want each other about the Kanya about the Kanya King.
Okay.
So and yet trend, but there is a direction for my booking. Aye. When you factor, there is a direction for my booking. That's it.
A day for me, they can't buy the sham come the amount rubble. If you crash and come away, no more chess or more the fast and quiet tattoo.
What there be?
Me need be more so a bright about 2024 near before we share. If you would do muti crowd also. Send your macano army more energy muti. Would you for send your woman so boy says a worker some day, but
now then I'm a kind of one mouth about me some intimate. I don't format.
Where ya what can it say? Honorable can I compare with upon the before the difference the more.
Oh, who said that good? I did be a yen Caribbean pro.
Okay,
and yet has show message or two. Who said empty barrels make the most noise? I gave you mood to be because of Adriana bomb my bed, the woman no casa, a boko. And yet I no casa be bree, and yet Timocasa be bree, and a yana want to be bree. What date at all? Said the Namo, Ugo did, or the Adiana and I see one more Kaimoka 2024 election. I cannot cover 14 days. I'm about to talk about that. Good news of the friend, my bad. I bet him on it. Fully me. So I get the shan to Mumu. Now, come by some ransom and Titi Yamano. No, dear. If I saw some Kai, I said that good. Holy Ghost and fire prayer mission, let us have a breed. And yet a Mununa, and yet Cassatintin, and Poppy, and Yahweh. What your church was a prophet is young kind. Now ye not too good to not shabby.
What if one the crack one almost all count they say dear, but maybe also air can set.
Yeah,
I said baby about Dr. Bahamad about me about quite can be could be an pintain a crazy ho. About what to thank you to ya or dinner can when you could see what master crab or rubble a train. Yeah, ain't in Quebec, yeah, and can woman sim kunya. Okay, walk back. Sign ko baako ka ho me maybe nti so sign ko baako ne ka ho na wantimi dia no no atena che na ka honorable aba oni safo ne ya adwene
o me de thank you to no na nka dia o so mu nyina nso mo pega na chew na honorable ken one start ba hun se akoy se dudu ani sadio so takrache me ba to ati ase dudu ani sadio so takrache na e wodo a ebeba we no ankwanko wie hwe me ba to ati ase ba sadio ne to traditional and manufacture one. What you what the member is prophetess ya Job for the second time, third time about the other swab console. Me pass that good into and your casa be breathe. What is written, and you am rabbit change by the time. Once over Prophet Elbernard Akan. My name is I was seeing a video via now or casa about it, and it is bound to happen.
Okay.
It is bound to happen.
Okay.
And no matter what becomes, or sure, the answer is any dancer say, a baby said the etie.
What if on the cracker?
Oh, the cracker meeting me, I can't show and say, Maweni and now. Na Okabrane, your money better. Without an honorable king, NPP can never come to power. And if they maneuver the thing, if you papa inside. It will take NPP 20 years to stay in opposition. And the ruling government are power, NDC and John Dramani Mahama will be on Ghana seat for another 20 years to come. Maweni now, personally, me didn't come my number, and me catch you and me boss you 0249 631 876 0249 631 876. Oh, how be money or that will be. Now proceed, we are ever ready. Manuato.
Good day for me that's a parcel when you are Bernard. The Bible say, and a Brema Quine Media, and come to training in our ACA, ne Prophet Bernard SCM, any D and Kumi. Message so we will comment our video. He say, a demon, when you subscribe to one so. I too much GH, I saw the bell never come home. Send a brand upload it to pay. When the first person, yeah, phone of one kind, which means send it and some no, Nina is it all the social media platforms so called. Too much GH. Oh, subscribe, no like, no share. Now, when you're doing so, any biashe. Dark gold, and I'm just so macro.